I was praising Qinghai province in a wonderful conservation effort in their hospitality. Of course, what changes I've seen. Xiangs that were small little towns are now big cities. There are more roads. The lives of the herdsmen that I visited have changed. Now, many lived in the black yak hair tents at the time. Where are the black yak hair tents? They're gone, except a very rare one. So now, the herdsmen are wealthier. They have houses. You go inside, there's television and other electric equipment. Many have electricity. So those are major changes in the lifestyle. Destroy your environment, you destroy yourself. And a lot of governments don't seem to realize it. If you want a healthy future for your children and your children's children, you have to protect the environment. And for example, Qinghai realizes this. It has good program. A lot of the rangelands were degraded, or too much livestock and other reasons. Now they're planting grass, trying to rehabilitate. And that's a very important effort. This kind of thing needs everybody. It needs the whole community.